Hello everyone and welcome back to your tutorial series of Sandbus. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do A-B testing in Sandbus. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So without going any further, let's get started. So in your mind, there's a question like, what is A-B testing? Basically, A-B testing is a method used to compare two versions of an email to determine which one performs better. This approach is relies on a real-time data, helping to make informed decision based on customer preference rather than the assumptions. So in Sendbus, we having the same steps where you have to choose a best version of email which will get a good result from the prospects. So you can see there are two variants that I selected for my prospect. So what I do is I only select on choose winning steps where you can see the comparison between the variant A and the variant B. So you can make a decision that which email gets a good result or proper result from the prospects. So from that you have to select a variant which is getting a more results. And thus how you can able to manage like which email or which variant you have to share with your next prospects. Thus how you can able to do the A/B testing in Sandbuzz. Thus how you selected a proper variant for your next prospects. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll happy to help. See you in the next video. Thank you.